Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Kalshi in 2025, breaking down everything you need to know to decide if it's worth your time and money. Kalshi is a unique platform that lets you trade on real-world events like politics, weather, and economic reports. Think of it like betting, but on a regulated exchange where you buy and sell contracts based on whether you think an event will happen or not. Starting with the good stuff, Kalshi is fully regulated by the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), which means it's operating under strict rules. This giving users some peace of mind about security and fairness. Plus, you can start trading with a little as $1, so it's accessible even if you're just getting testing the waters. But there are definitely some downside you should know about. Several users have reported delays when trying to withdraw their money, sometimes waiting weeks. That can be frustrating if you want a quick access to your funds. Also, liquidity on Kalshi can be quite low, meaning it's not always easy to buy or sell contracts at your desired price, especially if you're trading less popular events. Customer support is another area that get mixed reviews. Some users say response are slow and not very helpful, which can be an issue if you run into problems. On top of that, Kalshi requires a detailed personal info, including social security numbers, which might be a privacy concern for some. Overall, Kalshi's concept is innovative and it's one of the few platforms legally offering these kinds of event trading. But the platform still has growing pains, especially around withdrawals, liquidity, and support. If you're curious about this kind of trading and willing to be patient, it might be worth trying with a small amount. And thanks for sticking with me. If this found you helpful, smash the like button, drop any questions or experiences you have in the comments, and subscribe for more honest reviews and guides. See you in the next video.